Hi, I'm Pedro Plasencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today, we're outside the city of Paso Robles at the lakefront community of Heritage Ranch for a tour of this beautifully remodeled lake home. Let's go have a look. Of course, at the lake, parking is a premium, and you have the best of it here with a two-car garage that's extra deep, lots of driveway space, and to top it off, you have a gated secure site area that's about 11 feet wide, and you can go too deep, so it's about 55 feet deep. You can fit a large RV, a boat, a truck, several vehicles, all in this secure space. The front yard is very beautifully landscaped and kept, and it's a very inviting view as you step to the front door with this patio seating area. Let's go look inside. Right away, as we step inside, you can see how immaculate this home is. The home has been almost completely remodeled inside, including new paint. And throughout the living areas, this is really pretty engineered wood floor. It's a European oak style. It's a very spacious home consisting of 2,195 square feet. And the first thing we notice as we come in is how bright it is with lots of natural light as we're drawn right into the formal living and dining rooms, both featuring these classy sculptured ceilings. The living room has bay windows to enjoy views of the front yard and nearby oak-covered hills. As we tour the home, we'll notice new ceiling fans throughout. Really cool hanging pendant lights here in the living room, in the formal living room. And then here's the dining room. Nice open space. And we go into the family room. We got a couple nice central features. Is this newer pellet stove with brick fireplace and glass doors to this incredible backyard. The back deck's also been redone with Trex deck boards. And it's just a wonderful space here for outdoor living. A really nice extension of the home. We'll come back to tour the backyard in a little bit, but there's more to see inside. Following the flow of this open floor plan, we go right over to the kitchen. What's really special here is the owner is a contractor and craftsman cabinet maker. So they've redone this whole kitchen very meticulously. They went all out here. They installed custom design Omega cabinets with maple doors, a quartz countertop, and matching backsplash. The appliances are all stainless steel, Thermador appliances, including a 4-burner stove, built-in dishwasher. Some of the really handy features of these custom cabinets are the wine rack, and they're all soft close drawers, and they have sliding organizers. And the cabinets also have these really nice sliding drawers. The pantry there is large and deep, and even these cabinet doors are soft close. We even have this really nice under cabinet lighting. In addition to the formal dining room, we also have a breakfast nook right here, right next to the kitchen. Again, lots of natural light and a glass door to the back patio. Let's tour the rest of the home. These wide halls make it really nice as we walk through. There's a hall bathroom, which is a full bathroom, double sinks, tub, and the shower. And there's no shortage of storage here. We have a linen closet, coat closet, and a broom closet. And here we are at the huge master bedroom. By the way, the bedrooms have new carpet. The master bedroom features a really nice walk-in closet. And then also with custom-made closet organizer. Let's check out this amazing bathroom. It's also been completely remodeled with new cabinets, matching quartz countertops, double sink, a really nice soaking tub. And prior to the remodel, this was kind of an awkward space here, but it was opened up to make room for the soaking tub and the shower. Of course, another large glass door to the back deck and backyard area. As we make our way down the hall here, we'll see there are 2 bedrooms. In addition to all the other upgrades we talked about, this bedroom also features new closet doors. And this bedroom is set up as a music room, a record collection, music room, and office. All the windows have been replaced with UV rated glass. So it makes the home very energy efficient. And the insulation in the attic has also been replaced from the regular original insulation to new sprayed in insulation. So in addition to all those wonderful spaces inside the home, you have all this outdoor living area, including this patio with stamped concrete and gas fire pit. This beautiful lush green lawn. We have another nice seating area here. It's a great place to barbecue. Such peaceful ambiance here. We even have a flagstone pathway to this far garden. One of the nice features of Heritage Ranch, which is a gated community at the lake, is that all the lots, all the homes back up to this open space. So it really adds to the openness and the privacy of these homes.
If you'd like to learn more about this home and others like it on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County and South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.